Arkansas lineman apologizes after controversial Liberty Bowl incident. Arkansas offensive lineman Fernando Carmona faced backlash after a viral video surfaced online. The video shows Carmona stepping on a Texas Tech player during the Liberty Bowl game. Carmona issued a public apology on social media for his actions during the game. The incident has sparked discussions about sportsmanship and player conduct in college football. Stay tuned for more sports updates and insights.